Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas that's pre-primed with medium black paint, and I want to do what I consider a simple geometric, but I want some vivid intense white to be part of the beginning process of this. I expect to swipe. I should probably turn that one more. That might be enough. Then I'm just going to start. I've got pink diamond that I'm going to use some jasmine with, which is pretty similar, and a little bit of dancing fuchsia, just to see how I like it. And I'm going to use cell activator, cobalt turquoise from Atelier. I've got acetate cards and playing cards. I've got all kinds of acetate. I intend on using my spare colors. Hopefully that blue won't be an issue. I've got orange crush. That I want to mix with a little bit of red orange. And use the same card I just used, but I'm going to put some more. What am I going to do? I'm going to put some white cell activator, Amsterdam white cell activator. And accept my gaps to a degree, but I do have silicone rubber brushes and spare paint to use up. So I'm really tempted to just go ahead and do something else with that, like that. I'm going to wipe off my card because I'll probably want to change my colors in a minute. I've got some frozen. I'm going to keep moving around. And I want to mix it with Perfect Indigo on one side. I'm going to try the Fandango on the other side. And what color cell activator will I use? Will I use black or white? I want to use both. Use the card we started with. Get the right side up. Continue to use my card, my brush. This black and white stripes will not usually stay. We should be getting a few more cells popping anytime now. Not sure what to do with that. I think wipe it off. And wipe off my card. I want something much louder. I'm going to use some white pearl metallic and mix it up with some Rhapsody Rose. And then what? White cell activator? No, black cell activator. Find me time. Wipe the water off my card. I don't think water would hurt though. I'm really tempted to add another color in there, but we'll go with this now. Blow the paint up to the edge. I am going to grab my Modern Masters Venetian Blue that is not open. I need a much wider card, or I need to use the side. I think I'll use the side. And I'm going to use more of Jasmine. And stick with, I think I'm going to try the Cobalt Turquoise. Now I've got paint on both of my cards and I want to do something with all of it. I've got a skinny little acetate card that I can use in a second. But I've still got plenty of paint on this card. So if I don't want to go there, I can just use what I've got. I'm thinking Fandango. And I've got Anita's Island Blue. And whatever's on my card is going to have to stay there because I don't want to use that right now. And what cell activator? I think the Dancing Fuchsia. Taking a chance. I can always add paint. I don't want to experiment with what the texture would be like if I use the paint that's left over on my swipe card. But I also want to try this Dancing Fuchsia cell activator right here. With my rubber brush. I want some orange, some real orange, some bright orange. This is Orange Crush. I really want to use up the paint I've got on my card. But some of the colors won't mix very well. Maybe I won't. So I think I want saffron again, but this time I'm going to go for the black. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to wipe my card off. Maybe I'll just use this as a scrape dish. Twice. I said black, and black it shall be. That's interesting. My pink diamond has closed up. Sometimes it doesn't take much. I think I'm going for the Miami Magenta. And I'll use the orange that's on my card and the black cell activator. We're looking for weird textures, and we're getting some. I've got some yellow orange that I think would be okay with, and it's still open somewhat. Do I want to do that? I do. I'm going to use Dancing Fuchsia though. That was a lot. It's maybe more than I needed. I'll get rid of some. I'm always talking about how much I like the little gaps. That wants to be opened. Now I've got an odd color. I've got a purely pigment gold with golden diamonds. I want to try it. I think if I use the Dancing Fuchsia, it will just be orangey. But it seems to be a pretty color, yellow-orange. And that's the color I've got on here already. It's almost time to make up some new. I do. I really like the gaps. I want something bright, and I haven't managed to fully utilize the red-orange yet. I wonder how badly it would clash if I were going to use some Rhapsody Rose. I'll find out along one side. I've got that gold on my card. Where do I want to put it? Anywhere? Time to get out the rubber brush. Might as well. I'm not minding that much at all. I still want Dancing Fuchsia, but I might want to mix it with something else. The white sort of muted my orange out too much, so I'm going to skip that. But I could do a little black. We'll see if it works or not. Oh, I like that. That worked well. And I'm going to take some of my paint, square up my design a little bit. Use my extra wherever there's a need. Oh, that fit nice. I think my nail art tool should come in handy if I can lay my hands on it quickly enough. There it is. Cool. What do I want to do? I want to lay a line of paint down. I just have to pick the color. Miami Magenta will work. Do I want to do it again, or do I want the red-orange? I think I want the red-orange. Probably blue would have been good too. It's kind of fun. I like it. I'm trying to decide if I need anything else, and I think there's not room for anything else anyway. But I'm going to steal a little more paint. Done yet. I think either this yellow wants to go there. I'm going to put a little bit of yellow right in my dish. Wipe off my brush. See if I can make a mark. Which side? Thought I might need more, but I don't think I need more. One more. Oh, a messy one. Would have tried the bottle, but I don't think it would have worked anyway. I want to do something with this white in the center. It's bugging me. I was worried I might go too far. And then I feel like sometimes I don't go far enough. Alright. Be sure to leave the black and the white lines. And you'll have something striking. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Link here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.